Want to make your yard shine this holiday season without breaking the bank? DIY Christmas yard decor brings creativity, joy, and a personal touch to your outdoor space. From handmade displays to upcycled decorations, it's the perfect way to celebrate the season with heart and imagination. Let's explore DIY Christmas yard decor ideas that are fun, festive, and full of sparkle. Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started. What's a creative DIY tree idea? Stack wood planks or pallets in a tree shape, then decorate with lights and ornaments. It's rustic, modern, and perfect for smaller spaces. Tree styled? Like this if your yard tree steals the spotlight. What DIY projects are easiest for beginners? Start with simple ideas like painted wooden signs, homemade wreaths, or tin can lanterns. They're budget-friendly and add instant charm to your yard. Simple start? Like this if your DIY journey feels fun and easy. What about DIY yard signs? Paint festive sayings like "Joy to the World" or "Santa Stop Here" on reclaimed wood. Seal with weatherproof paint to last all season long. Signs ready? Like this if your messages spread holiday cheer. How do I start planning DIY yard decor? Begin with a theme, classic, rustic, or colorful. Sketch your layout, gather materials, and decide where each decoration will shine best in your yard. Planning done? Like this if your creative vision is coming together. How do I keep DIY decor weatherproof? Use outdoor-rated paints, sealants, and waterproof lights. Secure decorations with stakes or sandbags so they withstand winter winds. Weather ready? Like this if your decor is built to last all season. How do I decorate my pathways DIY style? Line walkways with painted mason jars, wrapped lights, or DIY candy cane poles. It guides guests with warmth and adds festive sparkle. Path glowing? Like this if your walkways lead to magic. How do I add the final touches? Arrange everything with balance. Mix tall and short pieces, lights and shadows. Step back at night to adjust until the glow feels just right. Finishing perfect? Like this if your yard feels merry and bright. How do I add homemade wreaths and garlands? Use pine cones, ribbon, and faux greenery. Add ornaments or bells for a classic look that blends beautifully with outdoor lights and decor. Garlands glowing? Like this if your greenery feels handmade and cozy. How can I make my own Christmas lights display? Use old string lights creatively. Wrap them around wooden frames, ladders, or pallets. Add bows or garlands for a glowing, handcrafted display. Lights shining? Like this if your creativity is lighting the way. Can I make a Santa sleigh or workshop display? Absolutely. Build from cardboard or plywood, then paint and decorate. Add a bench or prop gifts to make it interactive for family photos. Santa approved? Like this if your sleigh is picture perfect. What about using upcycled materials? Transform old crates, tires, or bottles into festive props. A coat of paint, ribbon, and lights can turn everyday items into stunning yard decor. Upcycling magic? Like this if your crafts turn trash into treasure. Can I build my own reindeer or snowmen? Yes, use logs, branches, or wooden cutouts for reindeer. Stack painted tires or boxes to create fun, sturdy snowmen with scarves and hats. Yard alive? Like this if your DIY creatures bring smiles. DIY Christmas yard decor turns your creativity into holiday magic. With handmade touches, glowing lights, and a sprinkle of imagination, your yard can become a joyful masterpiece. Celebrate the season your way, with heart, hands and a little sparkle. Inspired to craft? Like and check back for more festive DIY decorating ideas.